Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with some do's and don'ts for lock maintenance. If you do all of the do's on the list, shout outs to you. Sounds like you have healthy habits for strong growing locks. And if you don't do these things, these are some simple, quick and easy fixes to implement to be on track for achieving healthier, stronger locks. And here's a friendly reminder. I don't know if you know this, if you're not on my email list or if you haven't been checking out my posts, then you may not know that Love Light and Locks is having a Mother's Day special. Check out the description down below to see the details of the special. Just know the special includes a Mother's Day bundle. So this is a great gift for the mothers in your life who you want to treat with luxurious hair care because she deserves it. We all do. You have until Wednesday to order to get your package in time for Mother's Day. But the specials are running up until Mother's Day itself. So if you want to get a late gift for the mothers in your life, you can do that as well. So our first don't is don't sleep on cotton pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases promote frizziness in our hair. Our hair is already frizzy. We don't want them to be frizzier. So definitely opt for satin pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases also strip moisture out of our locks, so we also don't want that. Satin pillowcases help our hair lock in moisture, which is why bonnets are made out of satin material. Satin helps our hair stay smooth and sleek, and it also helps our hair retain moisture. While you may not care if your hair is sleek, and that's completely understandable, I don't care all the time, but I do care that my hair is retaining the moisture. Don't wring water out of your locks when you are drying them. Instead of wringing your locks, basically that's when you go like this to your hair to squeeze the water out. This is not a recommended practice because over time that can cause thinning to your hair. We want our hair to stay thick and strong. So instead, I recommend that we squeeze the water out. Simply squeeze without the twist. Just squeeze. Our third don't keep your locks in tight styles like braids and updos. Some people will go to their loctician, get their hair styled in braids or updos, and then take it down when it's time for their next wash and style, and then get another updo, get some another braids. Our hair needs a break. Our hair needs a break because that tight tension can cause thinning at the root and baldness, alopecia, traction alopecia, and it's most visible along the hairline, and we don't want that. We want our hairlines to stay strong and thick and full. When our hairline is full and thick, we look healthier, we feel more confident. So it's really important that we take breaks in between those styles so that we are not putting too much stress on our roots. And last but not least, don't overuse oils and heavy creams and butters on our locks. Now, I made sure to say over because a healthy amount of oils and butters and creams may be okay for your hair, depending on how often you are washing your hair. Some people will wait 4 weeks, 6 weeks even, before they wash their hair, and that is a bad practice in itself. But if you're going to be doing that, you especially shouldn't be using those types of products like butters and creams because they're likely going to cause buildup. So instead, prioritize using water-based products. Water-based products are going to wash out of your hair with a lot more ease. So that's especially important if you're not washing your hair on a very regular basis, if you're not using clarifying detox shampoos, if you're not doing apple cider vinegar rinses and things like that. It's really important that you use lightweight products. So definitely oil. Don't overdo it with the oil. Definitely water-based products like mists and water-based gels. And oftentimes when you're using too much butters on your hair, you may notice that your hair feels dry. It's because those butters are often preventing you from absorbing water into your hair. Remember, these types of products are sealants, so they seal in moisture, but if you apply it first, then you are not allowing the water and the moisture to get into your hair. Drop a comment below if you're going to be making any slight changes to your hair care routine. If you need more detailed, personalized, custom, tailored just for you hair maintenance, hair care tips, You now can schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com, and that consultation comes with follow-ups, so you're getting quite a bang for your buck. I'm going to go deep into your hair history, whatever hair concerns you may have now, and how you can restore and revitalize your hair from the inside out, and I'll also help you with choosing the right ingredients for you. Check out the links down below. Thank you for watching. Love, light, and locks.